If you are familiar with the any programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, or any programming language, then you have heard about the function. In CSS video series, we have used the function many times. In this video, I'm going to recall that function we have used in this C# video series, and also we'll discuss about some important function in CSS. At first, let's create here the new file and give the file name as css function.html. And after that, I want to use here the boilerplates and also the document into the css function. And inside the head section, I want to use here the style HTML element and I use the internal CSS. Inside the body section, I want to create here one div. And at first, I want to recall that the CSS function that we have already used in the previous videos. Let's see if I select the div element from here and if I give the background image, we have already discussed about the gradient property in CSS. If you see here the linear gradient or radial gradient, and you can see all these are different types of gradient. These all are also the function, right? So the linear gradient, this is the function, and we have provided here the different color to mix up the color. We have used the linear gradient. Likewise, if you see here the background image, and also you can provide the URL path here, and this is also the function. So it means that if you see any parenthesis like this, opening braces and the closing braces, this is the syntax of the function. And also in CSS, we have used the background color, and we have used like RGB, RGBA, and HSL color value. And this is also the function example. So these are some examples of the function we have used in the CSS previous videos. So first of all, I want to put inside this the comment section. And also I want to show you the two important functions in CSS. First one is the calc function. At first, let's create here let's define the height of this div, and I want to give the height as 500 pixel, and also I want to define the background color, and the background color as I want to give the gray color, and also I want to provide here the width as 80 pixel, and if I press on the go live options from here, this code is running here. You can see here I got the 500 pixel height and 80% width. If I resize this browser, then you can see this size is decreased here, and if I increase the browser size, then this white space is increased here. And if you again see here, this white space increase here, and after this you can make the one conclusion here. If I provide the 80% width, then it takes the 80% of the white space. While I'm resizing this browser, this white space is decrease and increase while I'm resizing this browser. And if I change this width 80% into if I use one function calc, and if I write here 100% minus 200 pixel, and if I go to the browser again here, now I got the 200 pixels in the right side. But if I resize this browser, then also this white space is not decrease or increase. It takes the 200 pixels gap while I'm increase or decrease the browser size. It doesn't affect while I'm decrease or increase the browser size. It always takes 200 pixels at the right size. And this can be done through the calc functions. So in this way, you can use the calc function in CSS. And also we'll discuss about the variable in CSS. To make the variable, first of all, I want to make here another element. I want to choose the root element from here. And I want to make the variable by using the double dash sign, and I can write the variable name, whatever you want, background color. I want to give the background color as red. Okay. This is my variable name, and you can give whatever with the variable name. And also you can give the text color. I'm giving here the text color as green. And if I put there the two variables, one is the background color and another one is the text color. If I want to change this background color gray into red, then I do not need to write here the red. I can write here the variable name. Before that, I want to write here the var function. And inside the var functions, I can write here my variable name, that is background color. And if I go to the browser here, now this color is changed into the red color. So in this way, you can use the variable. So likewise, if I want to change the color of the text, then I don't have any text here. First of all, I want to create here some lorem text, lorem 10. And if I go to the browser, I got the lorem text with the default color. And if I want to give the color of this text, then I can just type here the color property, color property, and then I can give here the again variable function, that is var function, And I can give here the text color is my variable name. And if I go to here in the browser, first of all, I have to give here a semicolon. And if I go to the browser, now this color is changed into the green color. And one important question, why we need the variable in CSS? It means that if I use the background color or any color in the, if I have a long range of the CSS code, if I have the 1,000 line of CSS code or 2,000 line of CSS code, and if I want to change the color, or you can say the background color or text color or any property in CSS, then we can simply change in the top side. You can see the root element. If I change the red color into the here the yellow color, then I don't need to change this particular background color in a particular position. If I change this is in the top, then it will affect all over the CSS file. So you can see here the background color is changed from red to yellow. So in this way, you can only change in the one side, and that will affect into the whole pages of the CSS file. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.